And that's pretty much the whole thing. That whole process should be done in 3 weeks, usually, beginning to end. Somewhere in that range. Much of that is just waiting for the ground to dry, coaxing it into drying. If we can get the ground completely dry, we can kill off weed seeds that may be germinated, maybe reduce some of the disease, free up the native nitrogen in the ground. So we can get it completely dry, and then we'll ridge it and flood it.
Okay, you said you have 2,000 acres. Do you have multiple drivers?
Yeah, probably 5 to 6 employees. Each tractor is going to work. All the tractors are auto steered. Typical tractor is going to cover 80 to 100 acres a day. Probably going 12 or 13 hours. Big fuel tanks, very comfortable